Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock. I'll be providing an update on my position as well that I opened 2 days ago. And for that, if you have seen this video of mine already 2 days ago where I did with Nvidia stock, the also analysis on ARM, AMD and SMCI, I opened my position in this video, so check this out. But anyways, I'll still be providing you a background context of where things are on this, what am I planning, and what were my reasons going into this position, and what I'm expecting out of price action. Now, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. That's why I also have my stop losses, and also whatever I'm doing on my videos is only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I play no role and no part in any of that. All right, so guys, let's start off SMCI here, and for the technicals, are we again going to go, or possibly what I'm targeting, like my last play that I was targeting on SMCI was down to this 200 days moving average, which was around 475 at that time. Now it has come up to almost $500. So again, like as you know, I like to size in, size out my position, and I'm just providing my opinion and educating you how I trade the market. You can go into whatever you want to do, okay? So yeah, as you know, in my previous position on the short that I had, I already partially sized out at these levels, and when price was going up and up, I fully got out as well before earnings. So still a net profitable position. So this next position that I have opened lately is for the reasons that I was talking about these rebounds that may potentially come when this candle was forming and the double bottom pivot was forming here. And I was talking about, guys, there is a potential rebound coming all the way to at least 20 days moving average, or at least this underneath of this zone of 845 to 855. And then when I started to see these rejections happening at 20 days moving average and just below 845 area, 845 to 855, this is when on this particular red candle is when I opened my short position. So yes, I'm still in that position, guys. You can see I'm receiving a next day confirmation as well at the rejection at 20 days moving average, and I'm already in profit. There is not much profit on this right now, but the position is in the profit, so that takes away a lot of the load from my shoulders already, that I don't have to worry about sizing out in the stop loss area or reevaluate my thesis, right? Because technically, SMCI structure would change if it gets above 845 to 855, right? Because that will become a structure to the upside. Technically, with this double bottom, and I said that in my video that I did on this 2 days ago, that technically a safer play is the break of $790 range and then a short play. Safer play is that. I'm just going a little bit ahead, okay? So technically 790 is where SMCI, if it wanna holds a pullback on this going uptrend lately in the rebound, it can do that. It has a possibility, and that's why I am being very careful as well if I want to size out in the stop loss in case it doesn't go down. So on the structure side, if SMCI starts to get above this 20 days moving average and get above this $845 level, then this is still gonna, this is a higher uptrend, right? And this will be negated. So that's why I have my stop loss as well. But so far, to me, just because how the market sentiment is and how things are looking like, for me, this is worth a play, because we are still technically, for reasons that, in my opinion, we are still in the downtrend. So, and that's why I'm willing to take this risk. Now the question becomes, so first level I'm targeting is 695, but the question becomes also, can we head all the way down to $500 almost? So the thing is that, well, it's level by level trading and accordingly sizing in, sizing out. And yeah, so that's what I would want to see. But what I'm planning is that as I first receive the confirmation at 790 break, that's a great confirmation that I'm just going to hold this play. And then I'm going to size out at these levels like 693 or a little bit. When I start to see the price action change or show me some structure that it's turning up or something, you know, I'll start to size out my position. And so if you have been following my videos are for educational purposes, okay? For you to learn how to read the market. You don't have to wait for my videos to know, as I said, your financial decisions are your own. I'm not here to tell you what you have to do. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. So this could be ahead of times or in the past time, right? It doesn't matter, right? Because the videos are for educational purposes. So, but I'm still providing everything what I do ahead of time, okay? So anyways, yeah, so structure to me, guys, on SMCI still looks like that this cool off will continue on the swing side. As I said, nothing is guaranteed. That's why I have my stop loss as well. But what I'm seeing is that why my thesis is so why I took this play, because when I see a confirmation and the confluence in one direction, that's when I take the play. And I'm seeing the supply zone from the past being reacted over here, and the continuations of sells off, sell off, sell offs, and the red candle. So this gives me good confidence to go into this short position. You can see how these red candles are coming and things are being sold off, right? And this is very close to that previous supply zone after earnings. And the structure on the daily is in the downtrend as well, right? We have been rejecting at the one of the underneath pivot levels as well. So that's why I'm still holding. We are below 200 hours moving average as well. And first level, partial profits, I'm also looking at 744, right? And then the next level I'm watching is around 708 or 692 and so forth. And then, I like to take it down all the way to 200 days moving average if stock price gives me that, but I'll start to size out already. So if the stop loss hits, it hits. That's the name of the game. But so far things are looking like, to me, it's in the downward direction, and there's some money I can make on this on the downside as for where my current position is, right? Is there a possibility of upside on SMCI? Well, for that, guys, there is nothing guaranteed in stock market. At least I trade with as much as proper confluence I can draw in one direction, and then I take my trade with a stop loss. You can see on SMCI, like I have taken so many profitable trades. This is what my 9th play. Let's see. First one, 100% profitable. Second one, 100% profitable. Third one, ran into the stop loss. Fourth one, 50% profitable. Fifth one, massive $300 move, 100% profitable. Sixth one, 100% profitable. Seventh, ran into the stop loss. Eighth one, 50% profitable. Even though I was happy, but I was targeting all the way down there. This is my 9th play, right? So yeah, I mean, it's all about coming out net profitable, and you can see on SMCI, I'm just loving it, right? So what to the upside it can do? Well, for that it has to hold the pivot at 790 first of all. And if it does that and breaks out above 20 days moving average on a strong green candle, then guys, yeah, you can expect this thing to then start heading higher. At least what the price action is showing me right now, for me, the variables in the equations, the confluence is still more to the downside. And that's why I'm still holding on to this play. All right. And if it starts to go up, then, guys, some of the partial areas to take, the areas to watch would be 882 and then 50 days moving average and then 1,025, $1,000 almost. But I don't expect this again. Right now, my bias is to the downside. And if my thesis change based on the price structure and the price action, again, I don't change my thesis out of thin air. I see the price action and the structure, and accordingly I build my thesis or I change my thesis, right? When the price action confirms certain things. Okie dokie. Guys, so well, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. I did a video on NVIDIA as well this morning. Check this out on my channel. Again, just check this video out. I'm not going to go too much in detail on this. And yeah, check out my other videos as well that I have been doing, guys. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.